Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss applications of trigonometry, class 10, exercise 12.2, problem number 7. In the previous video, we have seen how to solve the problem by using applications of trigonometric ratios. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problem by using applications of trigonometric ratios. Click this I button to learn Introduction to Trigonometry and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 12.2, question number 7. Two poles of heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 120 feet wide, from a point between them on the road. The angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of a point from the poles. Let us see the solution. What information is given in this problem? Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 120 feet wide. So here 120 feet wide road it is there. This is 120 feet road, this is there. So either side means both sides, two poles are there, equal height of the poles it is. This is two poles A, B, C, D, you have to think. From a point between them on the road. So on the road one point it is there, that point is this one, you can take E, you can take that point 2. The angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degrees. This is the making here 60 degrees angle it is making, and one more it is 30 degrees angle it is making. This is 30 degrees angle. So find the height of the poles and distance of a point from the poles. So from this is the, you can think this is the first pole, you have to think this is the second pole, you can think. So from first pole to this point it is length, you have to take, this is the x meters you can take. That is the x, this total length is 120 feet. So C to E is x meters, x feet, sorry, meters not, x feet. This what about E to A? That is we are getting 120 minus x we are getting. That is 120 minus x. E to A, the distance between point E to pole, second pole, that is 120 minus x feet we are getting. So let us see the solution. Here let AB equal CD equal heights of the poles, that equal h meters. This is h and this is also, we can take h meters. Both are equal length. Next, AC equal distance between two poles, that equals 120 feet. Now this CE I am taking. Let CE equal distance between point to, this we took, first pole we took, point to first pole, that is x meters. Now this distance we are taking, that is EA, that equal distance between point to second pole, point to second pole, that equal 120 minus x feet. This is also you have to take feet only, sorry, feet. Now from here to it is making, the two poles are making elevation angles, it is making. The elevation angles equal, for first pole it is making 60 degrees, second pole it is making 30. The angle of elevation of the top of the first pole equal 60 degrees, and second pole also the angle of elevation of the top of the second pole equal 30 degrees. Now here we can take this triangle I am taking. In triangle CDE, angle E equals 60 degrees. So what we have to say, CD is the side opposite to 60. This is CE is side adjacent to angle 60. So tan 60 degrees equal opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 value we know, that is root 3 equal opposite. What is opposite here? CD is the opposite. CD by CE is the adjacent. That equal CD value is H by X. Now just you can take the cross multiplication. H equal root 3 into X. This is equation number 1 you can take. Now we are taking second triangle we are taking. In triangle ABE, angle E equal 30 degrees. Angle E equal 30 degrees means this is AB is the side opposite to 30 degrees. AE is the side adjacent to 30 degrees. So opposite and adjacent. Opposite and adjacent, what is the trigonometric ratio? That is tan. So tan 30 degrees equal opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 value we know, that is 1 by root 3 equal opposite. What is opposite? AB. AB value here H by adjacent. Adjacent is 120 minus X. Now just this 120 minus X you can transpose to left. So 120 minus X by root 3 equal H. So here this is equation number 2. So here H equal 120 minus X by root 3. Here H equal root 3x. So equating both sides from equation number 1 and 2 to equating means we are getting from equation number 1 and 2 we can get root 3 into x equal 120 minus x by root 3. This root 3 you can transpose to left. So root 3 into x into root 3 equal 120 minus x. Root 3 into root 3, 3 into x, 3x equal 120 minus x. This x you can transpose to left. 3x plus x equal 120. 3x plus x is 4x equal 120. X equal 120 by 4. 4 ones are 4 30s. So x equal, we got it, 30 we got. X, what is x? X means the distance between from first pole to the point x, that is 30 meters we got. Now this conclusion we can write it now. So I will rub and write here. Therefore, the distance between, conclusion this is, between point to first pole, that equal x, that equal 30 feet. We got the value is 30 feet. Second pole also I have to find the distance between point to, this is the point, that point to second pole, that is 120 minus x, that equals 120 minus 30, that equals 90 feet. 90 feet. So now we got the distances, we got it. We need height of the poles also we need. So therefore, the heights of the poles h equal, here from equation number 1 to root 3x. So since equation number 1, so root 3 into x value we got it here 30, that equal 30 root 3 feet. This is the height of the poles, both poles, that is AB and CD. So distance between point to first pole, this is the first pole we took, this is the second pole. First pole we got 30 feet, second pole, this point to second pole is 90 feet. The height of the poles, both poles are 30 root 3 feet. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.